Drugs. Yep. Drugs and alcohol. Yeah. You know, being that guy in the bar buying rounds on a Friday.
Hey, my friend, how you doing? I wrote this book called The Millionaire Book. Have you ever heard of it?
Yeah.
Well, and I'm doing a project where I'm trying to find out what people learned about money as they were growing up, as kids. What did your parents teach you about money?
How to spend it.
That's it?
That's it. My parents were rich.
Oh, yeah?
And I was poor. And they didn't want me to have anything, so they made me do things my own way. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I had to learn the hard way, step by step. I left my parents when I was about 13. I've been on my own ever since. I'm 70 now.
Wow.
My parents are both dead. They're from Ohio. I moved out west here. I got stuck over here in this godforsaken place, Las Vegas. I took a Greyhound bus from Phoenix, Arizona. I was living there for about 8 years. Most of it was on the homelessness side.
Yeah.
I ended up with diabetes, which I got now, until my legs are swelled up.
Wow.
So I can only stand on my feet for 2 hours a day. Then I get to sit down and rest until about nighttime. Then I come back out here about 11 o'clock.
So you're still working at 70?
Yeah.
So look, if you had a message for younger people about money, what's the biggest mistake you've made? And what would you tell them?
Biggest mistake I made? I don't know, probably, you know, I don't think I made a mistake.
No?
No, because I learned everything the hard way.
Yeah, yeah. What do you think the biggest mistake other people are making regarding money?
They don't care.
They don't care, huh?
That's right. They don't care. They want to live for now, the moment.
Yeah.
They don't care about the past.
Do you think people need more money than they actually think they need?
No, not really.
No?
No. They need it for food. They need it for taking care of their own people.
Yeah.
Stuff like
Can you finish this statement? I'm going to ask you a question and see if you can finish it, okay? A penny saved is?
A penny earned.
Money doesn't grow
on trees.
Money won't make you
happy.
Yeah, you know, you got the same programming I got, okay? Rich people are?
I don't know.
Rich people
I've never been rich, so I don't know.
Your parents were rich.
Well, they've been rich, but not me.
Yeah. Would you rather be rich or poor?
I'd rather be rich.
I like that, man. Okay, I'm going to come back and give you some, all right? Thank you.
Thank you. Make sure it's over 100.
Huh? Oh, yeah, okay. Don't get greedy, man. Okay.
Thank you.
Be great, man.
Thank you.
Help people out, man. Help people out. But you know, these guys, this is just not a payday. You know, it's just not it's 20 bucks, man. Thank you. Okay, man. Hey, let me ask you, see if you can finish these questions I'm gonna ask you, all right? A penny saved is?
Penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on?
Trees.
Money won't make you?
Happy.
Dude, it's so deep in our society. Rich people are?
I'm not gonna go there, but
no, what? Rich people are what?
Assholes usually.
yeah.
They don't even look at me. They don't. I say good morning. They won't even give me the time of day.
Yeah.
So I don't mean to. Not everybody's like that, but the ones I've run across.
Yeah. So let me give you a piece of advice, man. What's the biggest day you've ever had? What's the most money you've ever raised in one day?
In one day?
Yeah.
$1,200.
Wow. What'd you do that day? Different than what you're doing today?
I don't even.
What, do you remember the day you did 1,200?
Yeah.
Where were you?
In a casino.
In a casino?
Yeah.
Oh.
I actually won. And I won some money, but no. When I was working, I was doing all right. I was making like maybe about $1,200 to 1,500 a week.
Working?
Yeah.
Yeah.
As a commercial painter.
Yeah. Okay. All right, man. You're great. All right.
Thank you.
Hey, man. Hey, man. You good stuff? Look, I wrote this book called The Millionaire Booklet. This is my 7th book I've written. Okay, and I'm doing a project about money, about how Americans have been misinformed about money.
Right.
What were you taught about money?
What was I taught about money?
Yeah.
To save money. And you got to work hard to get money. You know,
who taught you this?
My grandfather was the biggest
Influence?
Yeah. I'd say at 12 years old he had me working, and you know, I was definitely, you know, that's where my work ethics came from and stuff like that.
So let me ask you this. See if you can finish these statements I'm going to ask you. Okay.
You gonna give me one of them 20s for helping you out?
Hang on a second. So money won't make you
happy.
A penny saved is
penny earned.
Money doesn't grow on
the green grass. No, in trees.
Trees. Rich people are
rich.
They're just rich.
No, I've never heard that one.
No, like rich people are greedy or they're evil.
Oh,
or
no, I don't.
Money is the root of
all evil.
Damn, man.
You know what? And that's true though, because you know, there's been times like right now I'm on the streets. Like and I chose to be on the streets. You know, I've done this. Did you
ever plan on being on the streets?
See, what happened was I come from a family of money. I come from a family of money.
You came from money, huh?
Yeah, yeah. And like my mom passed away a year ago. So all of a sudden at 35 years old, I had to grow up and become independent, responsible. You know, I mean, like it was, you know, it was a true reality.
Yeah, yeah.
So I set out and I wanted to see if I could do it on my own in the streets, and I've been able to do it. You know, it's definitely different, but you know, it's.
What advice would you give somebody out there 35 years old about money?
About money?
Would you tell them to go get more, get less?
No, I would say
it?
that you should start saving 20 years ago.
Yeah.
You know.
What's the biggest mistake you've made with regards to money?
Exactly what I'm preaching, not saving. You know, just spending. Yeah, you know, absolutely. But
dude, if you could do it all over again, what one thing would you not do again?
What would I not do?
Yeah, drugs, the women, casinos. Biggest mistake you made in your life? The one that cost you $1 million.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Yep. Drugs and alcohol. Yeah. You know, being that guy in the bar buying rounds on a Friday. You know, $800 check gone on a Friday, borrowing money, getting a cash advance from the boss on Monday. You know.
Yeah.
To make it big. Hey, cool, man.
Right. There it is, buddy. Okay, you guys out there trying to be the baller, trying to be the player. I guarantee you, when that guy was picking up the $800 checks, he never thought he'd be homeless. 35 years old, teeth all broken. Nobody, listen to me. Nobody does drugs thinking they're gonna be a drug addict. Nobody, okay? I've known thousands, tens of thousands of them, me included. Nobody does drugs and alcohol thinking one day I'm gonna be a junkie. It's a shame, man. You get your money right, okay? You get your money right, at least you can pay for a treatment center. You get your money right, you get to a whole another level of people, man. Look, that guy's got 30 years to that. Don't feel sorry for him today. And I know some of you are gonna be like, he's just gonna go use that 20 bucks on some drugs. That's his choice. He can do whatever he wants to do with it. It's his money, free country. I didn't give him 20 bucks. He gave me some great, valuable information, and hopefully you'll take advantage of it.